it goes to the left screen from 0 to 160, as simple as that, with the touch functionality. Next, we're going to view Dante index.h. In Dante index.h, we simply did a simple credit. It's the same thing, it's just we created a label, we initialized it, we went to .m, we initialized the default initialization, we have the synthesize, then we implemented the Dante index, which is the class. We imported a switch view controller.h, Dante index.h, Dante index.h as well, and view did load, which is going to load one first section when we switch from Dante interest to Dante index. What is it going to view first? Well, it's going to view first index label that text. It's going to view the credits. It's not simple credits. It's just my twin brother Kali and myself. Kali did the drafted and edited, and I did the programming. So okay, that is good. And as I said, when we create the files, these functions are automatically created. The title, we're going to ignore the title. We could look into the functions. Actually, the GUI interfaces, which is the main GUI interfaces, we're just going to show it so you can see, take a look. That's the main one, which is a reference to Dante View Controller. So we go to Dante View Controller, then it's going to link to Dante Interest. Dante Interest, it just only has a label, which is linked to main label that we assign first. So all of the text, when we click on the screen, is going to show the appropriate text. Right now it is blank, there's no text, there's none required. Then last, when we flip down interface, the GUI, to Dante index, we're going to have a different label sign, index label. The other one was main label, and this one is index label, which is going to display the credits. And technically that is all there is to it for this application. Sorry that this was as fast as I could do it. I didn't want to spend too much time, but I did spend a lot. So let's run the application so that you can see it, and we will test it out. Now, as you can see in the iPhone simulator, we have Dante, we have the taskbar here, up here, we have the name. This is a switch, by the way. Dante is a switch. And here, the left side of the screen, from here to here, this is all the left button when we touch it, and from here to here, this is the right button. So we touch in all of this area, we're gonna go to the next page. So we click here, this page 1, we click again, this page 2. If we click over here, we have the left button, so we can click, it goes to the first page. If we click again, it goes to the blank page, and so on and so forth. So I hope this was a little bit entertaining somehow, and we'll see you back. Please watch part 2, where we give general information on how did we went about in creating this, but also several other information that I wanted to share, because I started first announcing about the 3D video game, and sadly I got good news. But in honor of Dante's Inferno, I wanted to make this simple application just to test out the iPod Touch, my iPod Touch, and hopefully I can commercialize this application with a few tweaks. We need to still program the bookmark section because it's not yet programmed. So hopefully this application will be out sometime next week, when the next couple of weeks. So I will be posting a message to YouTube for further updates. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.